Hi everybody, it's Food Pantry Day, and all those small ones so totally worth going out in this heat. I tell you what, the heat the last 3 days has been something else. That humidity yesterday was, whoo, it got up to 100 degrees. I couldn't believe it. It's been a long while since I've seen 100 degrees like when I was little. And, wow. Yeah, just wow. I am thankful that I have a heat pump. I was one of only the 15 to get a test out in the state, so I didn't have to pay anything for my heat pump, thank goodness, because I never would have one otherwise, because it's a lot of money to get one put in. But I tell you what, that thing cools like nobody's business. It cools pretty much my whole trailer. I love it. But anyway, back on to the food pantry stuff. We got potatoes. And we got 2 things of the bagels. Now, the bagels, where they're made locally and they're artisan bagels, they're a little tough. But if you take those and you slice them up into coins and make bagel chips, oh my goodness, boy, are they great. You just got to find a non-spicy one for me and my family, because we don't do spice anymore. We got some finger sandwiches, great for lunches this time of year. School's out and everything. Not that I don't have Emma every single day of the week anyway, because she's homeschooled through a homeschool program that is called Miva. And I love it. She does so great. And I don't have to take her into school on snowy days and stuff like that. I don't have to worry about that, because she just has school no matter what. We got artisanal bread. This bread is so good, and I could never afford it otherwise because it's so expensive. It's like probably $4 and $5 a loaf, but I'm telling you what, good stuff. Usually I buy the Walmart sandwich bread at $1 something. And we got Canadian white bread, and it's good because I was all out of bread. I was hoping they had bread today. We got some 4-cheese mashed potatoes. Some Thomas English muffins, so I can do English muffin sandwiches up ahead of time. Just have them in the freezer ready to pop in and go. And we got some whipped salad dressing, and I was just saying I was all out of that, so it's nice to see that too. And my favorite, peanut butter spread with honey. Oh, it is so good. If you haven't tried the one with honey in it, if you like honey, you're going to love that. And we got some luncheon meat, Spam, for Emma, because she likes it. And just a potted meat for anybody's sandwiches. It's good. I don't care what anybody says. It's good. That's what I grew up on, that type of stuff. So there's my little tiny food pantry haul. Isn't it so cute, but so wonderful? Because like I said, I was out of bread. And I'm running low on funds to buy bread. We were just getting Walmart bread, and this way we get some good stuff. It is awesome. So now I can buy other things that I need instead of bread. Yay! Isn't it wonderful when you got to decide which things are more important? Yeah. But anyway, that's what I got. I hope you have a super wonderful, fantastic day, and I am so thankful for this. And I hope everybody's staying cool if it's hot and warm if it's cold. I hope you all are having a great start to your summer. We'll see you on the next video. Watch, like, subscribe, and share.